goes really well with that, by the way, this idea of anchoring your eyes and avoiding that darting, is to really use people's names and to use your own names, especially in Zoom, right? So you have no idea who I can see right in front of me right now. But as soon as I say, yeah, Colin, back to what you were talking about before, Colin's brain is immediately wired to like perk up and pay attention to me, right? Or if I were to say, Nathan, yeah, back to what we were talking about with lighting. So it's a really nice way to pull people into the conversation and keep people engaged just by saying their name when you're talking to them so that they know you are talking to them. Another way to do that with your own name is, especially if you're in a team meeting, is to say the person's name who you're responding to and your own name in tandem. So something like this. Yeah, Nathan, Bren here. I know that you were saying X, Y, and Z, but I know it sounds a little bit old school, but it really helps orient people because as you've seen in Zoom, you don't know always who's talking or who's interrupting or who's jumping in. So call out people's names as you steady your eyes and also use your own name to let them know who's talking. I like to think of it as you're all on the same volleyball team. That's how we have to think about Zoom. You're all just keeping the ball up and you're calling out to each other. Like, Colin, take the ball, right? Until we dunk it over to the other side and we shoot it over to the client side. And then we let them talk. And then once the ball comes back, one of you takes the ball, clearly says, let's say the client's name is Louise, right? Yeah, Louise, great question. So Colin here, I'll just jump in and say yada yada, but Howard, is there anything you want to, right? And then it's that game of volleyball.